rocky, but it's looking good for our side.
TIE fighters are targeting our blockade runners. Defend them. Let's stop the Imperials here.
Still returning from that. Wing assemblies torn apart! Impact detected. Entering the fight.
Defend our blockade runners.
I've given order.
Those TIE bombers must not be allowed to complete their attack run.
Ship's almost falling apart. You lost them. Good job.
We've kept those TIE bombers from completing their attack run. Their TIE bombers are getting through. Intercept them. Keep the Imperials from destroying our blockade runners.
We need to halt their advance!
They've destroyed them.
Ready for orders.
Looking ugly for me, I'm afraid.
Our blockade runners are down. The Imperials are advancing. Hold them back.
Doing the wingmate seems like a really bad strategy.
Target obliterated.
We've deployed mines to halt their progress. Keep their TIE fighters from destroying them.
We'll take care of it.
Another down.
Tell me where you need me.
The ship's taking damage.
Just 8.
Winds are about to come off this thing.
Intercept the TIE fighters. Don't let them clear out our mines. Our sensors detect incoming TIE bombers. Take them out, quick.
Let's show them what this rebellion is all about. Lost part of them.
Their TIE bombers are hammering our forces. They must be stopped.
May be difficult to recover from that.
They've eliminated one of our mines.
No coming back!
Another mine destroyed. Only one mine left. Hold the line.
May be difficult to recover from that.
They've cleared the mines we set to hold them back. All ships prepare for assault. Imperial Star Destroyer advancing.
You lost him. Good job.
Enemy starfighters. Gunners look alive.
Defend the sensor array from Imperial forces.
Bad pilot, good target.
A TIE bomber squadron's initiating its attack run.
Careful! Keep fighting. Haven't lost yet.
Alert! We're taking heavy damage. Focus all fire on the enemy bombers.
Enemy down.
Remember me, Red Squad?
Stop those TIEs from disabling the cruiser's defenses.
Careful. Another for our side.
Chalk one up for the Alliance.
Defeat is one thing. Or embarrassment on the other hand. Keep fighting! Haven't lost yet!
System wide.
The Imperials are targeting the cruiser's defenses.
No! No!
They've weakened the cruiser's defenses. Their TIEs are now targeting its lower hull sensors. Intercept them.
Love it! Pull it together! Thought that guy had a fly. I sense great fear.
The cruiser's defenses are down. If they take out its rear engines, they'll destroy the ship. We can't let that happen.
Out. Hope we can pull this out of the fire. Incredible shot.
The Empire is still a deadly force, and they'll be back, worse than ever.